AdConnect 6. Import-Export feature. For this video presentation, I will show you how to use Import-Export feature of AdConnect and its process. First, I will identify and define the buttons that will be used for this feature. Number 1. Get button. Serves as trigger to retrieve information or properties of the selected connection from the model. Number 2. Save button. It generates an ADX file consisting of the retrieved information and changes made in the connection through the design button on check form. Number 3. Save as button. Same with save button, but once the connection was saved using this button, the ADX that will be generated is not qualified in import feature. Number 4. Load button. Displays stored information from an ADX file. Number 5. Import button. The sole purpose of this button is to import the changes made in the ADX file to the model. Please take note that connections retrieved and saved from Techlist structures can be independently loaded, designed and saved in AdConnect. These are the only files that can be imported back to the model. Number 6. Apply Design button. Serves as trigger for AdConnect to transfer properties or changes made in the ADX file to the model. Lastly, number 7. Apply Capacity button. Serves as trigger for AdConnect to apply the connection capacity value to the model. Flashed on your screen is the process flow of AdConnect Import-Export feature. Please be guided that during the presentation of the process, there will be two kinds of users: detailer and engineer. Since the whole process will take time to emphasize, we are only discussing the highlighted flow, which is most likely the scenario for a complicated connection, like a vertical brace connection. After modeling and entering given loads of vertical K-brace connection on the model, the detailer will then open AdConnect and select its 3 component before clicking Get button. The user now will select his desired connection and click Process in order for AdConnect to calculate the connection. After retrieving the connection or information from the model, the user will then check if the connection is already passed or still failing. In our example, the connection is still failing on its beam and both tube braces. After checking the status, the detailer will then save the retrieved connection using Save button. The generated ADX file will be sent to engineering for their review and proper action to make the connection sufficient. Remember not to use Save as button when the purpose of the saved connection will be sent for engineering design. Remember also not to modify the connection in the model after sending the connection to engineering, as this will cause a problem in applying the design values from the ADX to component later on. After receiving the ADX file from the detailer, the engineer will then open the ADX file through Load button. Once the information is loaded, the engineer will now design the connection to satisfy the applied loads. After designing and making sure that the connection is sufficient, the engineer will now save the connection using the Save button, and the Save ADX file will be sent back to the detailer. The saved ADX file that came from the engineering will be opened using the Import button. After opening the ADX file, the user can now go to Check Form and click Apply Design button. All changes or design values that was made by the engineer will be imported to the model. After successfully importing the values, the detailer will then apply the capacity to the model by clicking Apply Capacity in the check form. There are cases where the expected result of the import function would be different when applied to the model. This is due to Tekla Structure's material dependency. AdConnex recalculates this and displays new connection capacity in the check form. Users would have to design connection if needed and apply design and connection capacity once again. We advise to save the connection with the new status to engineering for further review. For questions and suggestions, you can contact us at info@adconnex.com. Thank you for watching.